Good morning, dear children. Today we will begin with a new lesson, that is heredity and evolution. Last time we have already completed with the lesson, that is reproduction, and in which we are knowing that the various characters or traits. What are characters or traits? Characters or traits are nothing but like the color of hair, the color of eyes, the color of skin, the shape of nose, face, all these are nothing but the characters. They are even called as the traits. We will deal with this word very commonly in this chapter. Okay, so you must know what are traits. They are nothing but the qualities or the characters present in an individual. Okay, now you are knowing that they are being transmitted, these characters or traits are being transferred from parents to their offspring. That also you are knowing how they are transmitted. They are being transmitted because of parents, that one is male and another one is female. Okay, and this male will have the gamete as sperm, which will fuse up with the female gamete, that is ovum or egg. Okay, and when they fuse up, they will form up a zygote, and then a new individual will start to begin, which will develop certain characters or traits which are being transferred from parents to their offspring. So this is nothing but heredity. What is heredity? Heredity is nothing but transmission of characters from parents to their offspring is nothing but heredity. Okay, transmission of characters or traits from their parents to their offspring is nothing but heredity. And very important thing, that these heredity characters are present in the gametes. Okay, gametes are even called as the sex cells, you are knowing, and these gametes will carry with the heredity information which will be transferred to the offspring from their parents. Okay, now let us see ahead of that what is variation. Variation, the word itself tells differences, variations. Okay, you must have seen that even if the individual, even if the child gets the characters or traits from their parent, but the child is not exactly copy of his father or of his mother. There are some differences, there are some variations present in every individual. Okay, and therefore these children, they differ from their parents. So variation is nothing but when there is difference in structure, size, color and function, then those are termed as a variations. Okay, whenever there is difference in structure, size, color and function, then that is termed as variation. So variation can be defined as differences in characters among the individual. Differences in characters among the individuals is nothing but variation, which will be observed in each and every individual. Okay. Now there are two types of variations. One is environmental variation and another one is hereditary variation. One is environmental and another one is hereditary variation. Now what do you mean by environmental variation? Variations or differences in an individual which are caused because of changes in temperature, because of changes in habitat, that is where you live, place you live, climate and the food we eat. Okay, these variations, for example, changes in temperature. If the parents, when they were born and brought up, they lived in a cold temperature, okay, cold atmosphere. But the child of them is now living in a climate which is humid, which is hot, which is very hot in those days. So what will happen? Obviously there will be changes in its color tone and all. Okay, so these are the variations which are caused because of environment. Even the food which we eat, the same food what the parents have eaten may not be eaten up same by the children. So the variations may be caused because of the food which we eat. So these are nothing but the environmental variations. Next one is the hereditary variations. What are hereditary variations? The changes which are being brought in the offspring or in the children because of what? Because of differences in the genetic makeup of a person. Genetic makeup means what? The arrangement of genes present in the chromosomes. If that is little bit different, then those variations will be surely brought up in the offspring. Okay, those are nothing but the hereditary variations. Okay, now what is the importance, what is the significance of variation? First and foremost, because of variation, it helps in evolution. Evolution is a new type of species is developing, and as you know that the development of new species is very important. Why? So as to continue the life on earth. This continuation of life will be brought and brought up only because of evolution, and variation thus causes evolutions in nature. Okay. Second significance or importance of variation is adapting itself. Okay. Now whenever there are variations, the person tries to adapt itself in the changing environment. Okay. And this is one of the importance of variation. Okay. Third one, base of genetics. Variation is nothing but the base of genetics. Genetics started because of this variations only. Now, next is mutations. Children, you must have heard of this word mutations last year. Okay, meiosis, mutations, all these words you must have heard but not knowing exactly. So, what is mutation? Mutation is basically a process. It's a process by which gene or chromosome changes structure. Okay, you are knowing inside the chromosomes. I will deal with the chromosome structure afterwards, after in this next period. Okay, so what are chromosomes? Chromosomes are carrying the genes, and whenever there are being brought up changes structurally into this, then that process is called as mutation. Okay, mutation word or that term was being coined by a scientist whose name was Hugo de Vries. Okay, and variations in hair, color of eyes, color of hair, color of skin, all these are nothing but the mutations. I hope you must have understood with the introduction of hereditary and evolution. Thank you.